Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos and today we're going to discuss about agency accounts. Do you need them or not? Before we even start discussing about anything, I would like to to address the elephant in the room and say that I know from, you can call them insiders, people who work in Meta, I might have print screens like this and this, that there are different tiers of ad accounts. First of all, what is HiVA? It's called high value advertisers basically, and there are three different tiers for the ad accounts and the business managers. It's silver, gold and platinum. I don't have a print screen of platinum, so you can say we don't believe you about platinum, perfect. But I have a print screen for silver and for gold. I have never seen a platinum yet because there are not so many existing in the world. It's very difficult to have a platinum. We're going to explain a little bit why. But today we're going to discuss if you're needing agency ad accounts and if all of them are silver or platinum or gold, and when do you actually need them? Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook Ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more. So I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. First of all, before discussing if you need them or not, a little bit of theory of how this works. The more you pay your bills, you don't have rejected ads and stuff, you have a status. You're either gold, silver or platinum. Or maybe there's another tier that I completely missed, but these are the information that I have gathered from people inside Meta. Now, supposedly, you are going to have either a silver or a gold, but you're going to have also better quality traffic based on what you're having. So if you're having platinum, is the best quality traffic. If you're having gold, is good quality traffic. If you're having silver, it's normal, it's not something crazy. And you might have a competitive edge against other people, the same way that it was working with the Facebook pages, that you were getting better traffic if you're having a good score, but if you had a bad score, you were getting penalized and you were getting really bad quality traffic, which meant that you were having less sales. I'm assuming that this is what silver, gold and platinum is, and it's working like the way that it used to work with pages, because if Meta was doing it then, why they're not doing it now? I'm assuming also that the platinum ad accounts are ad accounts that they are only owned by big agencies, that they have also people working from Meta with them, and they have 0 rejected ads and all of that, or at least let's say this is what I have been told. The agency ad accounts that they're outside on the market, are all of them platinum? The answer is no. And this is the biggest trick over here.
What kind of game is that?
Sometimes people refer to agency ad accounts as if I'm going to work with an ad account which is going to give me better quality traffic, but they neglect and they don't know that to mention, or the owners of the agency accounts are not mentioning to them, that maybe this is a silver ad account and it's exactly the same as one ad account that you were going to create. When you are working with agency ad accounts, if it's possible, try to know what kind of tier they are. Of course, these are things that Meta doesn't share. You cannot just go and ask Meta what kind of tier is my ad account on HiVA. These people, they have also insiders and they know about the different tiers of the ad accounts and all of that. Some of them are lying and they're saying that they have good quality ad accounts, while the only thing that they're doing is that they're just creating ad accounts and they give you ad accounts. When do you need them? Most of the times these are being used by drop shippers, that they have businesses that they're afraid of, that they will get banned and all of that, and they're paying 10% or 7% of the spend. Sometimes there are companies, agencies that they're giving it for even less. But the only thing that I want to say today is that it's okay. For me, it's not okay, because when you're running a business and you treat this business as a legit business, which most of the times dropshippers don't do, and they treat their business like a hustle thing that even if they lose it tomorrow, they don't care because it was a hustle. But if you treat your business like a normal business, you should control all of the assets, okay? And this is why you should have the ad account, the pixel, all of them under you. Now, it's risky if you get banned. I know it, guys, and you can have other solutions for that, like creating another business manager, sharing all of the information there so that you can be able to continue advertising and so on. But at the end of the day, I need to tell you that the people that are working with agency ad accounts all the time are the people that are getting banned all the time for various reasons. When you're doing dropshipping, you can have a problem every week easily about the things that you have done. Just to recap, 3 tiers: silver, gold, platinum. Do we know in which tier we are? No. The only way is to have an insider which is going to tell you what kind of tier you have. Does it influence the traffic? I believe yes. Meta can come and say that it doesn't play any role and it's just another thing for them to categorize the different advertisers. Agency ad accounts. Do you need them? If you want to run a legit business, I think you should control all of the assets, and there are other ways for you to protect your ad account by sharing your assets with other business managers that you can use in the future. If you're running something sketchy, do you need it? 100%. Go use agency ad accounts, let others to take the risk, and you're going to be able to operate in another one all the time. But it has a cost, which means that you're going to pay the agency a percentage of the spend in order for you to be able to use the ad account. It is simple as that. Decide based on the video where you are at and if you need it or not, but don't expect not from all, like 99% of the ad accounts that you're going to get from agencies are not going to be even gold, they're going to be silver. And there is no way for you to prove it because you cannot ask Meta. So good luck with that, but don't think that if you take an agency account, you will have better quality traffic. That's all, guys, that I have for you today. Small video talking a little bit about agency accounts because we haven't touched it. I'm not touching this kind of subjects because I have to talk about insiders and stuff that I feel strange about it. It's like everybody knows it, but nobody talks about it. There are people that they are paying insiders to unban their ad accounts and all of that, but nobody talks about it. I'm not saying that Meta is endorsing this kind of behaviors. They're actually firing the insiders if they unban an account and stuff. But there's always going to be bad apples inside the basket, I guess. And these things are happening and there are corrupted people inside Meta, sadly. So that's why I don't like to touch these topics, but I do talk about these topics with print screens inside my course. And you can go and you can check it there. I'm not going to ever post the print screens that I have inside the course about these topics publicly. The silver and the gold that you have seen is as far as I will go, being careful with what I'm showing publicly about this. Inside the course you will find this and many other things which are more important, like the crazy method optimization, CBO, all of this kind of stuff. And you can learn more about Facebook ads and understand them deeply so that you can create your own blueprints. And you can see below all the people that they have completed the course and what they have said about the course. And you can also follow the link on the description and you can go and you can see the free part of the course and decide if you want to buy it or not. Also, I have my mentorship programs, the Chosen 5 program, daily calls, and as we go towards to Q4, most likely there are not going to be any spots available, but send me a message and maybe we will find a spot, maybe someone else to help you, I don't know, we will see. You can check below all the testimonials from people completing them or still being part of it because some people don't live. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.